Hello and welcome to this week's craft. This week we're going to be making a movable fish. You're going to get pre-cut pieces of paper and googly eyes. You're going to also need scissors and glue. Now time for the origami bit. You're going to fold the paper across like this, one side touching the other side. And then go ahead and take the corner of one side and fold it inward, but not all the way up. You're going to do it to both sides till it makes a little triangle at the top. After you're done making it look like a kite, go ahead and try and fold it back out so it looks like a triangle. Then take one end of it and sort of crease it. The crease will dictate the space between each of the cuts. Now go ahead and just cut all the way to the tip. Now that you're done cutting, you want to go ahead and open it back up again. Find one side that you want to start gluing on and just start gluing. Then after that, put them together and press really hard so that they stick to each other. Now we're going to go ahead and give the fish a rounded nose. Just cut the tip of it and try as you're cutting to sort of make a round motion. And then if you need to, just cut a little excess off. Now time to make the mouth. You're going to go ahead and get one of the pieces of paper that are shaped like a tongue, glue one side of it, and then just stick it in and press down really hard so that it'll stick to the walls of the mouth. Now take the other piece of paper that's shaped like tongue. It'll be a little bit smaller. You're going to glue it again and then just fit it in to the tongue that you put in before. Now time for the fins. You're going to take the heart-shaped pieces of paper and glue one of them to the back tail, which is just basically glue down the middle and then just press down hard to make sure that it sticks on. Then you're going to take the other heart-shaped piece of paper, cut them in half, glue both of them, and then stick them onto the front bottom part of the fish. Both sides, of course. After that, you just have the googly eyes. Go ahead and take both of the googly eyes that we gave you and put them on both sides of the fish. And there you go. You got your moving fish. Thanks for watching.